Which option best summarizes the main idea or central theme of the passage below using the four W's: who, what, when, and where? Hold on, the pilot says to his crew. We're going in. The plane shakes violently as it enters the storm's eye wall. But then the shaking stops. The plane has reached the calm eye of the hurricane. The plane and its crew are part of a special Air Force unit called the Hurricane Hunters. The Hurricane Hunters fly into tropical storms to record weather data. The work is dangerous, but the crews believe that what they learn is worth the risks. The bottom line for all of us, says a pilot, is that we save lives. Option A: Hurricane hunters fly into hurricanes and other storms to collect weather data that can save lives. Option B: The U.S. Air Force has a special unit of pilots called Hurricane Hunters, whose dangerous work saves lives. Option C: The plane roughly enters the hurricane storm eye wall, and everything gets calm in the eye. Option D: Hurricane hunters fly into hurricanes and other storms to test the Air Force's best pilots' flying ability.